Yo, back again. You made it. You liked one of the videos, didn't you? And you clicked the thingy. Yeah, good. Oh, man. As promised, to the two people that like the videos, this one is 100% filler. Filler, that's all we do. Just a whole episode of filler. We're just going to fill up the Transaxle with oil. And so I've broken away from the normal part of the videos where I said earlier we're changing up the form of the art and we're not going to film ourselves doing shit because it's just boring and that time capture stuff just doesn't do it for me. So here we go. We're going back to that and you're going to watch me go pump, 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 pump and just fill up the gearbox with oil, man. Let's just see how much mess we can make. Let's roll with it.
We're told what to believe in. We're told really so. We're told not to deceive in. We don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me. You won't take control.
Day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Well, it's just kind of gone from red sticky shit. I forgot how shit transmission fluid is. Auto stuff anyway, it's all sticky and crap. Put some oil in there, we pumped it, we shook it, and gone from like sticky red mess to I can't do well in there, but so we'll just, you can see the line there. Went from red to milkshake, and then to pinkish coloured milkshake, and then now we're just pumping through white stuff, some clear stuff. So I probably have it on the wrong angle and pump it away from myself, but that's pumping through nice clean transmission fluid now. Which is good. So we'll top up the bottle, and of course we remembered to get a funnel, so it's nice and easy to fill up the bottle and not spill shit everywhere. Which we didn't do too much of, that's okay. I think we'll just go with that. Top that up now. And, normally I've got a longer hose for the Caprice because that's a bitch. You can get underneath there with it running and take the sump plug out. But this thing's just there, so I'm like, you've got to be under the car on the stands with this pump, like trying to pump shit, and this hose wants to disconnect all the time, and it's a good thing, but it's a pain in the ass. It's all sticky with freaking trans fluid, and it's all over my hands because I didn't put the gloves on, so I forget. And yeah, that's it. It's time for a quick breather and then we'll do it. Because I didn't have a breather before, we've just been fucking around with this shit, sticky, clean up shit. That looks better, I think. It's fine. All I did is put some oil in there, shook it around. And just like this sort of much. Shook it around, pumped it out, primed the thing a bit with a bit of clean oil, pumped through that. And she good to go. She good to go. Good enough for this beast. Good enough for the Red Rocket. Look at that body line. Oh, nice, man, nice. Oh, the paint. Look at it. This area is sort of there, it's great. So much. Alright, let's go. Got the camera lined up perfect so you can just not quite see the gold bit there. It's the drain plug. I took the drain plug off. Well, I feel it so the oil can just all run straight out. One thing I like to do when I change my oil, I just leave the drain plug off and put a little bit of clean oil in there, and just helps wash out that gunky stuff. So I got the camera precariously sitting there. You see a bit drained out anyway when I took that back off, so that's good. It's just that darky brown colour. It's supposed to be clear, so that's a good thing. I've got the fuel plug there ready, so when I want to pop it back on, I can knock it into the oil pan and make a mess, and the camera's precariously positioned in a similar position, so that's good. Let's start pumping on this thing and hope that it falls out or the hose comes off it, or the juice goes in. Got a rag here ready to wipe that junk off. That doesn't look too bad straight off the bat actually. I won't waste too much there. I've only not even used 100 mil, so it's alright. Yeah, we'll go with that. Just worry about wiping that, that's fine. Just stick that back in there if we can. Drop it in there. No, we're not. Oh, yes, we are. Come on. It's nice and handy, put it on righty tighty. Need the extension for this, it's easier that way. I was about to say where'd that sun plug go, but you just put it back in, so hello dickhead. It says a torque setting, I think from memory it was 30 Newton meters. So the old right wrist there's tuned right into 30, so that's fine. Somewhere around that. Perfect, get that stuck on there. Thank you. Just double check that torque's right. Click, yep, that's good. And now we'll just move the drain pan over here, because the idea being that just put it in that hole until it pours out, and that's how much she needs. It takes about 2 litres, so I don't know if I'm going to sit here with the video going the whole time I pump it, but is what it is. We're getting there with this bad boy, but probably should have jacked up the back and made it level, but it's not like it's sitting on any sort of crazy angle, so that'll be fine. We'll deal with that. It's probably better to have too much than not enough. No, it's not. It's just bad. All's going well so far. The pump hasn't come off. Hose and squirted shit all over the brakes. The little metal bit hasn't fallen out. Filled this, I just said, I'm going to drain a bit out anyway, so I don't have an exact measurement. I'll just fill her up, and then I went, oh yeah, now I'm going to put this thing in there, and it's leaked everywhere, so another mess to clean up. That was fine. That's how we roll. And hopefully I only need to use half this oil, and the other stuff can go in the Falcon and the AU. She's definitely loving a drink of some fresh gearbox oil. That's pretty much nearly done. I'm just going to stay away from the bottom of that bottle because that's probably just the most contaminated part, so I'm just going to gear back out. Can't see what's going on, but I'm not going to touch the camera. I'm just going to talk and shit. If only you can see my skills of pouring in oil into a fucking bottle without a funnel. It's a genius idea. It's a doing speed flow. Where? Last one, I just run up to that blue line. We're in now. We're pretty close to it, so by the time we get close to the end of this, we'll try and do this without that falling out. Oh, can we? Hold it. Still on without tipping it over. Oh, we're winning. Alright, yeah, right. Position north of Back in there, just keep pumping. Pumping. Move your hand to be there when the oil leaks in. Okay, there's the cap. Keep going. How about that local football team, eh? Yeah. There we go, on here. Still got about half a bottle to go. So I think after this I'll go out and flush that radiator before it gets dark, because we'll be into the night time before too long. 4 o'clock or something now. Not too bad a day, we just procrastinate over a little bit of shit, but not really procrastinate, we just deal with fucking issues. Is what it is. Come on, baby. We're getting pretty close to the bottom now. None's leaking out. I'll just stop there and I'll fill this up again, and Jenny needs a smoosh more, and we'll leave it there. There we go, there's the money shot. It's trickling out now. We'll let that trickle for a bit. I might just pump it back up. It felt like it took more than the capacity. We'll check what the capacity is. I thought it was 2 litres, but we didn't check it before we put it in, so we probably roughly put about a bit more than 2 and maybe 2.5. No, I wouldn't have put 1.5 litre, but 2.3 or something like that. That's not commit much, it's just a trickle, so you can just trickle for a bit and then we can do something else.